Hello friends, welcome to my channel, with another helpful video tutorial, about Zoom online virtual meeting, all important settings. In this video, I will show all the important basic level settings in Zoom. So let's start. After, go to the settings options. You can see, video, audio, background, effect, record, profile, etc. settings. In the video settings options, we can change your camera type and rotation. Remember, video quality depends on camera settings. Audio settings is the same as the video setting. You can check your audio signal and speaker in this option. Your audio quality depends on audio settings. Share screen is another important option for online classes, tutorials, or meetings. You can customize the screen before you share. Background and effect are the most important things during your meeting. You can set your background and effect as per your meeting topic. Recording options is another important option for Zoom participants. You can record your meeting session with just one click by the record options. At a time, you can update your Zoom profile information from profile settings. Let's start a new Zoom meeting, and record this meeting. After recording, we show how it auto-export, and how can we show this recorded video. Click on Record. After clicking Record is started. After leaving this meeting, record is auto-exporting. Convert meeting recording. After complete, we can show this video. See my video description about how to create a Zoom meeting schedule link. Ask me questions about Zoom apps and settings in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.